Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we'll learn how to select your shop's currency. Let's go to the menu Settings, Shop Information. On the right you'll find a drop-down menu. To select your currency, simply choose it in the menu. You can define the currency display by activating the menu Pricing Advanced Format. You can now select the position of the currency in relation to the price, the currency display mode, the decimals, and the thousand separator. Save your modification and it's done. You now know how to set up your shop's currency. See you soon for another tutorial.